we don't have very much time. I have to show you how to listen to Sibelius through your AirPods. This took me so long to figure out. Okay, so you want to grab your AirPods. It's on my keychain. Please don't steal my car now that you know where my keys are. Okay, so I got my AirPods out. Make sure that you have AirPods selected in Bluetooth. There we go, right there. Perfect. Okay, so that's the first step. Then you want to go to this tiny little button under the play tab, right next to where it says play, right next to where it says mixer. It's this teeny little tiny button. You're gonna click that, and then you hit audio engine options, and it gives you this. Kent's Air Pro. That's these. Just stick them in. Dude, like magic. Okay, check this out. You can hear that? Good stuff, good stuff. Really just killing audio. All right, now you know. Now you know.